The mixing bowl now contains the prepared food sample to be tested, which is at least partially liquid. The sample is now ready for testing. Please note that the latex gloves should still be on. Testing for Group 1 and 2 poisons is performed using the JDK card, model number JDK61. Locate the sealed envelope containing the JDK card. Verify that the expiration date has not yet passed. After checking the expiration date, carefully cut open the envelope, making sure not to damage the card inside. Once the card has been opened, place it on a clean, flat surface. There will be 3 detectors on the JDK card, labeled Sample 1, Sample 2, and Sample 3. The detector labeled Sample 1 is on the left and identifies azides and sulfides. The detector labeled Sample 2 is in the center and identifies cyanides and chromates. The detector labeled Sample 3 is on the right and identifies the heavy metals thallium, lead, cadmium, and mercury. There are 3 important areas to note on each detector. Each detector has a sample port located at its base. This is the location where prepared solution will be added for testing. Each detector has a detection area located just above the sample port. This is the location where color change will occur if the poison is detected. Each detector has a test end indicator, which is the yellow band located at the top of each detector. This indicator will turn red once the test has finished. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will use a water sample which does not contain any poison. Using a clean eyedropper, apply 4 drops of the prepared sample's liquid portion to the 3 sampled ports on the JDK card. When taking a sample, try to avoid solid or oily materials as much as possible. It may take up to 5 minutes before the test end indicators change color. When the test end indicator changes color to red, the test has been completed and results can be observed. If the test end indicator does not turn red within 5 minutes from the time the sample was added to the detectors, 3 to 5 additional drops of sample can be added to the sample port. The test is complete when all 3 test end indicators turn red. If azides are present in the sample, a brown color which fades to yellow will form on the sample 1 detector. If sulfides are present in the sample, a black color will form on the sample 1 detector. If cyanides or chromates are present in the sample, a blue color will form on the sample 2 detector. If lead, mercury, or thallium is present in the sample, a dark gray to black color will form on the sample 3 detector. If cadmium is present in the sample, a bright yellow color will form on the sample 3 detector.